Are you a professional that's been tasked with creating video for social media? It can be a big job, especially if you're not familiar with how video should be positioned within a marketing strategy. To get you comfortable with this challenging but rewarding responsibility, we'll be exploring the major reasons that video reigns king for professional online messaging and marketing. In this weekly series, we'll look at how to plan, craft, and deliver your video content so that it resonates with the right people in the right way on the right social media platforms. No matter if you're an individual, an entrepreneur, an educator, a nonprofit professional, or a corporate worker, we'll talk about how to build a brand, target it appropriately, and make the video content work for you on social media so that your messaging is powerful, relevant, and focused. Also, I'm not assuming prior video experience or expecting you to have a lot of equipment or crew. In fact, you can create dynamic content with your webcam or your phone camera, along with a few other affordable pieces of production equipment. So those are the conditions I'll be emulating in this course. Recording the entire series with my phone, a basic lavalier microphone, a couple of inexpensive lights, and a few other odds and ends. I'm Ashley Kennedy, and I'm excited for you to join me in this LinkedIn Learning weekly series where we will explore many topics in creating dynamic video content for social media.